Ate, first and foremost, I want to wish you a happy birthday. And now, you're a year older, but okay lang. Wala naman sa itsura. You look younger pa rin. Suhol! Joke lang. You know what? I'm very proud of you because at a young age, you strive hard. Kahit mahirap. I know it's not that easy to be away from your family. You missed a lot. But because of your hard work, it's paying off naman. That's why you deserve everything that you're receiving right now. And I hope in the near future, sana ma-achieve mo yung lahat ng dreams mo, to have a house of your own, to have a house of our own, and to have a car. Yung mga wish natin. In God's time, I know, in God's perfect plan, matutupad yun. And I salute you for everything because super hard worker ka. You're very into your work. You're very passionate to your work, and I know you're striving hard for it para maging perfect yung ginagawa mo. And sana blessed ka pa ni Lord. And I know di naman siya magsasawa dahil alam niya you're very close to Him and you're doing this for Him, for your family. And basta lagi mong tandaan na you're always in my prayer na sana lagi na kang i-bless, lagi na kang blessed with good health. Sana you're always in good condition at saka keep na away from harm. So, laging tandaan. And thank you pa rin nga ganang bibigyan pa ako. I'm treasuring them. I know dati hindi natin nabibili yan, but now dahil mayaman ka na, nabibili natin yan. And I know na kahit na naman siguro di ta kaluto, kaya okay mo naman siguro ita. Bahal na naman ni God na kahit magobra kang masalit, kaya ita, deserve mo naman ita. And again, happy birthday. Nandun akong boyfriend mo. Hindi ako masyadong mapili. And regards to Ate Maria din pala. She's the one who spearheaded this video greetings. Kinontak na kami. Mobalo na eh. Anyway, happy birthday again. I love you.